Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 of this video, and again, this was not 300 miles per hour, but I'm sure you guys knew that already. You don't have to be a genius to know that. Marco Reviews, stop being such a joker. I can't help it, man. Can't help it. Alright, anyway. Let's see what we got here. This package looks pretty easy to open. Ta-da! Magic. Boy, did we make that Hollywood Disney magic work for us today. This looks really cool, guys, by the way. What do we got here? Some kind of button. This plugs into the wall socket. And 4 magical antennas. Very cool indeed. I don't know if I'll even be able to fix or understand how this works, but we'll try. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next.
Likey.